Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to set up automatic shutdowns in Windows 11 so your computer turns off by itself. This is great if you want to save energy, protect your hardware, or stop yourself from working too late at night. Let's say you want your computer to shut down automatically every night at 12 a.m. Here's exactly how to do that. First, press the Windows key and type Task Scheduler. Open it, and on the right side, click Create Basic Task. Now, give it a name. You can name it anything you like. For example, Auto Shutdown at Midnight or Daily Power Off. Then click Next. For the trigger, choose Daily and click Next again. Now set the time you want your PC to shut down automatically. In my case, I'm setting it to 12 a.m., but you can set any time you want, maybe 10 p.m. if you finish work earlier or 1 a.m. if you stay up late. Then click Next. Under Action, choose Start a Program and click Next. In the Program or Script box, type the word Shutdown. Then, in the Add Arguments box, type this, /s/f/t/0. That tells Windows to shut down immediately and close all open apps. Click Next, review everything, and click Finish. And that's it. Your computer will now automatically shut down every night at the time you set. If you only want it to happen once, for example, an hour from now, there's an easier way. Press Windows and the letter R to open the Run box. Then type shutdown /s /t 3600. That means the computer will shut down in 1 hour. Then press Enter. This means your computer will automatically shut down in 3600 seconds, which equals 1 hour. You can change the number to anything you want. For example, 1800 for 30 minutes or 7200 for 2 hours. Now, if you ever want to cancel this shutdown before the timer ends, you can do that too. Just open the Run box again by pressing Windows and R. Then type this command, shutdown /A. Then press Enter. That instantly cancels the scheduled shutdown. For those who prefer PowerShell, you can do the same thing in a slightly different way. Open PowerShell by pressing the Windows key, typing PowerShell, and hitting Enter. Then type this command, stop-computer-force. That shuts down your computer immediately. And that's it. You can now set, cancel, or instantly trigger a shutdown in Windows 11, all with just a few simple commands.